But it's a good idea to practice. Okay, just have an example, another example of how to find the inverse of a matrix. Okay, so I haven't gone through the long-winded explanations of it. Let's have a go at this one. Okay, now maybe just do it at the same time as me. Okay, or if you want, think no, I'm going to do it. Pause the video. It's up to you. Okay, but no, as I'm going along, I'm just going to have my notes. These are my notes that I was using on the introduction video to find the inverse. Okay. Because I don't commit these to memory. I've no need. I'm not doing an exam. No need. Okay. I'm sure if, well, actually, of course, I did an exam at some point, but I was never examined on this. Okay. The method I used was a different. You're probably wondering now what this other method is. Okay. And the other important question is, if this other method, in my opinion, is better than this, why don't you use it? It's just, Anyway, there you go. Find the inverse of that. So the first step is find the determinant, just to see if you can actually do it. Okay. So determinant, so I'm going to write down my answer there, okay, when I've got it, okay. So determinant of A is going to be 1 times by that, so -1, okay, and then subtract 3 times by -2, so it's +6, and then plus 1 times by -8, subtract 8, okay, so it's -9, -3, so the term is -3. I'm going to check that, okay, and of course it's not -3. Why is it not -3? Because it's positive on there. I'll keep on going. So yeah, I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered to redo the flipping video. Okay, so, but I've got the answer down there in front of me. Okay, just see how easy it is to make some sort of stupid mistake there. So -1. Okay, there we go. See how simple it was. Yeah. Alright, okay. So -1. Matrix of minors. Well, I'm going to get rid of that working now. So, matrix of minors. What is that again? It's finding the minor of each of these. Oh my god. So let's write down here what the matrix of minors is. Matrix of minors. Why is it called the matrix of minors anyway? I don't know. So that is going to be 4 subtract -1. So that's going to be 1. That is going to be 0 subtract -2. That is going to be -8. Okay. This one there is going to be 1. This one there is going to be 0, -2. And this one there is going to be -1 subtract 6, -7. Check that. -1 subtract 6, yeah, -7. This one there is going to be 3 subtract 4, -1. This one there is going to be 1, and this one there is going to be 4. Let's just check that, shall we? Matrix of minors. 1, -2, -8, 1, -2, -7, -1, 1, 4. Yes. Because curious, that's usually where I mess it up, not the flipping determinant. There you go. Matrix of minors done. Matrix of cofactors. Oh dear, suddenly I'm just having to, matrix of cofactors. So remember, you just do the multiply by plus minus, so that's going to be 1, that's going to be 2, that's going to be -8, minus, so it's -1, plus -2, minus 7, plus -1, minus -1, plus minus plus 4, 1, 2, -8. Check that. Well, that's least likely I made a mistake there, to be honest. Yeah, it's fine. And then transpose and write down the inverse. Okay, so I'm going to transpose it at the same time write down the inverse. So it's 1 over -3, so -1/3, and then we'll write down our answer in here. Let's get rid of this. So transpose that. 1, 2, -8. -1, -2, 7, -1, -1, 4. And I'll just check the final answer for that. Why did I? Yeah, okay. Calm. Let's think about this stupid method. It's just because, you know, that's just nuts. Yeah, I remember I changed it to -1 because I made that stupid mistake. Yeah, anyway, there you go. So that. Okay. Well, I guess we can then rewrite it, can't we? Rather than -1 there, let's just rewrite it as -1, 1, 1, -2, 2, 1, 8, -7, -4. There. Okay. There we go. -1, 1, -2, 2, 1, 8, -2. There we go. That's not a bad looking inverse actually, is it? Because it's all integers and stuff. Okay. But yeah, so can you see, like, once you've done it a few times, or even like me when you do it with your notes, you can fit the working onto a reasonable amount of space on your board page. Okay. Sorry for the 1 or 2 errors, but it's just, I don't like the method. But there you go.